So guys, nami diri sa Cookies Manukan. Maulo man ta diri. So daghang king tao diri. Pero guys, tinuod lang. First time ito ni namo diri. It's called Cookies Manukan. And we are so excited to try it here. And sige, ako mabasahon na ang kanang mga witty kay ilang mga description sa ilang mga food here. Na diri. Ingon siya diri, paa. Description nila sa ilang paa. Sulit every time. No drama, no disappointments. Para sa mga bakala na basta lami moments. Awas sa ilahang description sa ilahang apan-apan. O, gibalik na ako akong script sa apan-apan kay TikTok. Balik tang apan-apan di guys. Ang atong idea ba apan-apan kay di ba ka ng apan-apan grasshopper nga kadondak po na to kadong bata ta. So dili din na mao. Don't assume that.
Because we haven't.
Oh, sorry. Ang apan-apan di ay karon kay kangkong gulay. Kay isa kinahanglan nato og gulay. So muna siya guys, ingon si Charles ang among friend nga gikan og Bacolod, lami gid kuno kayo dire.
Shout out, Charles!
So siya gid ang gabaligyaan ni dire. So kung si Charles naman gud ang mo recommend, lami gid na. So here, kamo na po unsa man ninyo kang mastorya?
Has to Mel. I-show sa atong
Ay.
food. I think it's sold.
Wow.
Ay.
Cookies Manukan.
For happiness is we will pretend the blooper didn't happen. And then i-expose na niya tinigya sa pag-edit. Nasa itoyo, sangka, kanang chicken oil,
Salamat.
nanapot ng kaisi
With bone marrow.
Of course, hindi natin makakalimutan.
Salamat.
Kalamansi. We have our chopped rice. And plain rice.
Or regular.
Buti nga na
Atay.
Wow. We have a full house. We will be also having 2 stomachs.
Far, everything has been good naman. Lami. Pero,
You have to be
objective,
like Nana Shena.
like na siya na, sige. I'll be very objective. Guys, kabalo ba mo, if there's one thing that I like in Bacolod, it's their inasal. So, I was really having high expectations. But I think, wala gihapoy mo pildi sa legit Bacolod inasal. That's just my, my opinion.
Disclaimer, the opinions of our host does not reflect
Of the host does not reflect the management, the owner.
the owner, the videographer, the editor, the uploader. Guys.
Pero siya lang yung iba. Bali, ako i-repeat niya ang hindi sa amo.
Yan, I-repeat.
Kasi hindi itong ba? For the sake of the audience na
disconnect. Ingon sila nga very juicy daw ang ilang barbecue. So try nato kay juicy gid daw.
Wala na ubos ni may inyang rice.
So good.
Napagani this one. There's still no.
So in short, the food here is really good. Lamig gid siya guys. Lamig gid siya diri, di ba? Needs. Everyone agrees. Lamig gid ang food. But of course,
Everyone agrees.
yeah. Yeah, it's good. It's just that nothing beats the original.
Nothing beats a jet.
But unsa gani tawag ana? Unsa gani tawag anang imitation is the best compliment. So at least masasabi talaga na they try their best
Ate Janet.
and their best is good for us already.
Dapat i-open ko naman doon kung Ate Janet ang pag...
May little soda.
No, and ang kuan sad niya. Sorry guys. Kani siya, makita ba? Makita ba?
Oh, yeah.
So please return it to its original kay we will review. Ang ihang Sans Rival kay ang ihang crust, not the crust but the powder covering it. Wait lang kay na. Ganahan na siya pabayaron ko. Kay it tastes I can't pinpoint unsa siya nga lasa pero it's not the Sans Rival that we're used to.
More on crust magod siya versus cream.
Yeah.
Ito all cream ang good ang
Yeah.
Siya try texture
Yeah.
crunchy.
Di ba pag mabait ka
siya niya
and ang iya jud crust kay naa na siya lasa daan so mao may una mo butang sa imong kuan. So, na kay different perception dahil nga, this is not the same. So, sorry, I like the Sans Rival better. Kaya I think it's the OG. It's the standard. And that's what... Yeah, especially because...
We've been living for a long time every Sunday in Robinson's Galleria.
But it's been a long time since we've been there. Maybe it's time to revisit, di ba? It's been a long time. So, yeah. We'll see you again, Sans Rival. Maybe episode 3, but we don't know. We'll decide.
The motherland is
Yeah. And the motherland, it's always her birthday, so she decides where we eat. Well, we decide where we eat. Yeah, it's her favorite day, no? My. The baton?